Hello everyone, I'm Neha from Cashback Wallet Support Team by WebPlanX. Today I'm trying to explain you how to customize our application, pop-up, thank you page, card page. For that, you need to go to the theme elements. After that, you can select any of the style which you want. If you want to go ahead with the pop-up, then you can select pop-up style. If you want a template as a offer page, fashion style, classic style, you can select any of the style from here. If you are going with the pop-up page, then you can see customize tab is available there. When you will go to the customize tab, you can see so many customization options are available there. You can customize your pop-up icon, as well as you can customize your pop-up background color, title text color, subtitle text color. Each and everything you can customize as per your theme or as you like. You can also customize your button text, title text, subheading text, button text, everything from here. You can customize it as per your website language, as per your language, or as you want. You can change your background color from here. So your pop-up style page is ready for your site. Let me show you how to customize your thank you page. You need to go to the thank you page, and you can customize your thank you page as per your needs. If you want to deactivate it, then you can also deactivate it from here. You can customize your thank you page as per your language, as per your theme color, as you want. You can customize the style of the language, you can customize font style, you can customize font size. You can add color also, as well as you can add background color for the same. After updating all these details, you just need to click on a save button and the preview will be showing here. So you can see this type of thank you page preview will be showing to your customer. Now let me show you how to customize your wallet page. For that, you need to go to the wallet, and then you can see customize tab is available there. In wallet page, you can customize your each and every sentence and font. If you want to change color, if you want to customize your wallet page color as per your theme, then you can customize it from here. You can select any of the color, as well as you can customize your wallet page font from here. Or for changing the language of your wallet page, you can write each and every sentence as per your language. Each and every sentence are editable with this edit pen. So you can customize or change the language of my wallet page from here. So each and every options are editable. Now, let me show you how to customize your cart page. You can customize your cart page from here. If you want to customize your cashback pop-up preview color, then you can customize it from here. You can change the color as per your theme. You can also change the header text color, checkout button text, as well as you can customize your cashback pop-up preview text from here. If you want to write anything else here, then you can also write it. The max text size is 20, so you can write here, as well as you can customize your cashback checkout button text from here. After updating all these details, you just need to click on a save button and your details will be saved. After that, your cart page is ready as per your theme. Hope this information is very much helpful for you all. Thank you.